Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel DesignerNDcode. Hope so you all will be fine. And in this video we all will learn about IDs and classes. These are the most important things we use in CSS. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello, then welcome back. I am on my screen and created the cute9.html, and in the title I will write IDs and classes. And first I will create the div, and I will write h1 and hello. I'll format the document. Now I will give ID space ID, and I will give the ID heading and class h1. Now we should now understand what are the head IDs and class. Now ID is the means identification of the particular element. Just like in our house, we give a name to a particular person. We give only one name, means if the name is John, one person in our house is named John. We can't assign that name to another person in our house. So the heading is a one, which is it should be specific. It should be assigned to only one element in all page. It should use on another website, but in only that page, in one page, it should be specific. Now this is heading. Now what is class? Class is actually also a name, but it can be used multiple times. Now I can give another class to one element. I can give multiple class to one element. Then I will write h2. I can target this element with also h1 and also h2. So this class means I can target this element with both classes. Now you can't give that. How we can target that? We will learn this in CSS and JavaScript, because these are the most important things that are used in CSS. The CSS and JavaScript are started with these things. Now I will tell you some tips and tricks about that. That are, if you write h1 dot h1, means h1 is our element and dot h1 is our class, and h1 hashtag sign and h2. Now this is our ID h2. Now you all should understand that the dot is used for class and the hashtag sign is used for the IDs. IDs. Now I will comment it. Now you all should remember it, because if you will not remember it, you can't target it. Now I will tell one thing to you all, that if you want give multiple, just like I am giving class should be multiple, then h1 dot first class I will give heading. Now dot Now heading 2. Now dot, I will give topic. Now you all can give multiple like this. You all can give space between and give another class, and all though give you can follow this trick to use them. Now another trick, you should use multiple elements and multiple classes like this. H1 is our element, and we will give dot, heading is our class, and we can give multiply sign, and we will give 5 elements. So there are 5 elements, and 5 class are giving in all the elements. So that's all for today. First thing, I will give go live. Sorry, so I show you that there the go live is. That's all for today. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.